Welcome to a new level of intimacy here. Holy, we got new stuff! You are now viewing me through my new camera. It's me, Jacqueline. Welcome back to my channel. This is Dreams of Music and Makeup if you are new around here. Hi there, I'd love to have you. Consider subscribing. We are zoomed out for a different style of video today, and I cannot stop smiling, and it is all for very good reason, I assure you. Before I get into why we're set up like this, normally I put out 2 beauty videos every week. This is going to be a slight exception because this is new territory for my channel. You guys have really been enjoying as my personality has been able to come out more on camera now that I kind of have an idea what I'm doing and I'm getting a little bit more comfortable there. So I thought you guys might enjoy to see me unboxing some new technology that's going to be enhancing this channel from here on out. I'm actually going to attempt to, at one point, switch to this new technology during this video so that you can get an idea of what we're upgrading to. So I'm really excited. I cannot wait to share all this with you. If you're excited as well for this unboxing, give it a like. That really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you click that bell so you know when my videos go up. I would hate for you to miss something. I don't have 1 box or 2 or 3. I actually have 4 packages here. I did have 5, but one of them was just razors, so I figured I could open those without your audience and it would be all right. It was pretty comical when I saw the postman carrying all these things plus 1 more over to my house. Up until this point, I have been filming all of these videos that you see on a simple webcam that sits atop the mirror in front of me, and that records video to my computer. I also have a separate microphone that is up there that records audio, so I kind of merge them together and edit that together in a video software, and that's what you guys see. While it's been a really great starting opportunity because the camera was only a little over $100, and same with the microphone, it's made for really high quality content for you guys thus far, which I'm really proud of. I set some money aside from some that I had earned and decided to upgrade this channel for you guys. What has not arrived yet is my lighting. That is due to arrive today, so once that does arrive, I'm gonna hopefully hook up the rest of this stuff so that you guys can see me unbox that lighting. But essentially, I bought a new camera. I've got a Darcy in her natural habitat over here, just nesting. Why don't I get her settled and we'll kind of dive in. Meow. I got my big old orange scissors. I've got my packages piled high next to me. Let's do some opening. I feel like a kid on Christmas. I really do. I cannot remember the last time I was this excited for a haul. I mean, makeup is different. You know, I get really excited for makeup, don't get me wrong. This is something else entirely. So I have a feeling this is the major box, so let's save that one. Yay. Start really anticlimactic first. Tiny spatulas for facial waxing. If you guys don't already know, I do have a wax warmer that I use at home. All right, let's get into the good stuff, shall we? I love these. Well, least exciting goes first. This is our backup battery. Woohoo! Ooh, a box in a box. Ooh, and another box. So this is a power source so that I can hook it up directly to the camera and not operate strictly on battery power when I'm here. So that's this. Ooh, another piece. Box in a box. I think this is the lens that we ordered. We got a lens case. A cleaner, I'm guessing. Some sort of liquid cleaner that seems to have already gotten itself started on the way. Joy. Glad it's in a bag. A little lens hood. A filter kit. This is a Canon 50mm lens. Instructions are a little lengthy. I'll do that in a bit. Ooh, oh my goodness. So well packed. It's even got a little cradle it sits in there. Oh my gosh, this is so cool! There we go. So exciting. I am going to do my best to hook this up so that my camera is actually filming the unboxing when I get the ring light. I did order a ring light as well, because what you guys also don't know, in addition to everything being filmed on a webcam up until this point, I obviously sit in front of a window. You guys can see that in reflections and stuff sometimes. For lighting, what I actually have in this room are 2 of those rice paper lanterns from Target with the daylight looking bulbs so that it reflects like natural light. That is what I've worked with thus far, but it makes it really difficult to film on more overcast days and things like that because I am so heavily reliant on that natural light. This lighting that's coming is not only going to enable more consistent lighting quality for you guys for judging colors and stuff like that, but it will also enable me to be able to film at night and in poor weather for you guys, which I have not yet been able to do. So that will be amazing. This is just a part of the big finale here. Let's grab it. Oh my gosh. I've been like squealing about this camera since we even started talking about ordering it. Oh, this is the heaviest box. I'm so excited. I would shake this, but I don't think that's the best idea. Card reader. Oh yes, I needed this for the computer. So I did not have an SD card in this computer that we built. I don't really talk about this either, but essentially the computer that I record all my videos onto is a computer that my husband built for us. It does not yet have an SD card reader, so we had to buy a little attachment guy for that. Again, kind of boring technical stuff, so I'm going to leave that for now. I have a couple of SD cards, so I have 2 32 gig SD cards here. That's what the videos will be stored on, so I can have one in and then swap it out and load it on the computer and start recording on another one. And here's the king. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this. I cannot even put it into words. This is the Canon EOS Rebel T6i. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just did my research as far as what people would recommend for starting cameras for people who do similar work to mine, and this is what was recommended and the most economical for what it could provide me with. I feel like my heart is going to beat out my chest right now. I'm so excited. I mean, filming on a webcam in 1080p has been wonderful because it's been consistent. You aren't able to see the detail that I would love for you to be able to see, because the other day my makeup, my foundation looked like absolute, and it still looked fine on camera. And that's frustrating to me because I want things to reflect to you guys the way that they actually perform to me in person. I'm excited for you guys to see the imperfections in my skin. I'm excited that you guys are going to be able to see all the stuff that I've been wanting you to see, that you've just had to kind of take my word for it up until this point. So I am ecstatic that we are at this point. I didn't really know if we would get to this point. We have a strap so that I don't drop it if we are out taking actual pictures with this camera. This is the lens that it comes with. This is a 18 to 55 millimeter adjustable lens. I feel like these are toys and this is Christmas. I really do. There's our original battery. We have a backup of that as well. Oh my gosh. The video is just gonna be me blabbering because I'm so excited and just squeaking. This is it. Oh my god. This is amazing. Can't believe it actually fits in my hand. I do have really small hands. There's a mic input here, which is kind of cool. I've just not had a camera before, so this is all new. And yeah, I don't really know how to do that yet. I literally don't even know how to put a lens on it yet, guys. I'm gonna learn it from YouTube, my home. Oh, this is the coolest part. It has a screen that flips out, so it's perfect for vlogging because you can be shooting and actually watch your playback at the same time. If you have been a part of this channel so far, I just wanted to take this moment and say thank you. I have been doing this for over a year, doing 2 videos a week now, and I really just love this. I love doing this for you guys. It makes me so very happy, and every interaction with you guys just makes me want to do better, and constantly teaching myself new things so that I can keep you guys interested and coming back and looking forward to new stuff from me. So I hope you guys are enjoying everything so far. I'm really excited. I'm gonna go play for a little bit. Painful close-up just to show you that I can actually move and my camera can actually focus. You are now viewing me through my new camera. I actually was sitting here figuring out, getting my shot set up and everything when the UPS man arrived with my lighting. So I'm so excited to bring you the second portion of this video where we unbox that together. I hope you can appreciate the quality difference here. Let's grab our scissors. I have this giant box in front of me that comes about 12 inches below what you're seeing. In here, we should have a ring light and a stand, which is going to make this very, very interesting. Oh, this box is enormous. It's like a 3 or 3.5 foot box. Thinking I should probably lay this down for the sake of the bulbs in here. I should have known. A box in a box. Brief representation of what we'll be opening. Anyone else excited for fall? I am hoping that these are one of my last few days sweating to death in this room before the seasons change. Though I'm probably a little early with that wish. We have a box. Oh, we have a bag. This is the carrying case, I believe, for the light, so it should all pretty much be in here. This is the brand of ring light I picked up on Amazon. There are several recommendations that have good reviews. This is the one that I settled on in my research. Wow. Okay. Here's the light. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is an 18-inch ring light. I'm really excited. I believe there are something like 150 or 250 little LEDs in here. We've got some instructions. Sweet. None in English. Let's see. There's English. Great. I have my mini cords, it appears, that I will need. Ooh. Yes, this also came with a Bluetooth remote if you choose to put your phone in this ring light, which I probably won't be doing most of the time. And you have clear plastic covers as well as the kind of orangey warm light. And here is the tripod. So you have a flexible, well, not flexible, neck, whatever. Have the actual attachment here for the camera. I need some help. Hold up. Husband? Yeah. I can't do this. I need you to do it. So exciting. And essentially my camera will sit on this little guy right in here and record. So it's gonna be awesome and a huge upgrade from what we've done thus far. So I hope you guys are excited. If you are, make sure you share this with other people that are interested in the same kinds of things. I would love to have them join us on this journey as we just keep getting better and better. So would love to have you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you're excited for what's to come. I just can't wait. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.